While maneuvering for a 180-degree turn to preposition for takeoff at the threshold of Catarman Airport, inadvertently got its left landing gear stuck on a mud at the edge of the runway. It had been raining in the area, which caused the softening of a part of the grassy ground where the tight turn had to be made. Immediate precautionary measures were done to get the landing gears safely out of the muddy area. There was no damage on the aircraft, and no aircrew nor passengers were hurt. After further thorough inspection, the aircraft was able to take off and continue its mission. Statement from Philippine Air Force spokesperson Maria Consuelo Castillo regarding the involvement of C-130 transport aircraft in a landing mishap at Catarman Airport in northern Samar. Courtesy, thanks to Max Defense Philippines.